Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your JBL Pulse 5 speaker to your Android phone. But first, don't forget to press on button subscribe to see more useful content. So let's get started. First of all, we need to turn it on. We need to go to the back part of the speaker and press on this power button once till you see that the lights turned on. Also, you will hear this voice signal. Great, now it's on, and usually it will automatically go into the pairing mode with your phone, but if it didn't happen, you need to press this Bluetooth button once and wait till the light will change its color, and you will hear the voice signal as well. Great, now we need to go to the settings on our phone. Find the Bluetooth parameter, we need to turn it on. Then, as we can see, it appears on the screen and it suggests us to automatically connect to the speaker. But if it didn't appear, you need to go to the settings and find it on the list of the available devices. We need to press on it. We need to press on the pair and wait till it connected. Great, now our speaker is connected to our phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.